Hello. Today I'm quickly going to show you how to rebuild your models, the auto-generated ones, of course, without having to rebuild every single model and rebuild the context, where it gets kind of annoying and you have to add and remove code that was custom, not custom, and so on. Well, I'm going to begin with saving and rebuilding this current database I have in this system, and I'm going to run this statement here. This is going to create a table that I invented, which is linking to a currently existing users table that I have. So that's a foreign key constraint, and basically I'm changing or touching two tables. That's going to be important in a second. Once I go down to the models, I'm going to want to create just a random folder. Now, you can organize your stuff however you please, but this is just for the simplicity of it all. You make the auto-generated models, you name it whatever. We're doing code first. Do not save the connection string because that's going to cause issues, especially with your model names. Select the two tables involved. This will be my BTT user table and the, what do I call it? Test table. Here it is. I'm only selecting two. This is very important. If you select more, you're going to just add more work to yourself. This is what we've been doing, and it's good to avoid doing it this way. So once you've selected two tables, if I had multiple foreign keys, I can't really present that right now, but if I had multiple foreign keys, I would have had to add those as well. In fact, this is oh, here's a good one. So this table has 3 foreign keys, and this is one where I would have to add the questions table, the surveys table, the users table, and the answers table. You know what I mean? So it's best to include all the tables that are being manipulated or touched. Anyways, so you can start wherever you please, but I usually start with the model, and this is the auto-generated model. We're going to delete this, but we want to take what is important from it and transfer it to the actual context that we use for our database. So once that's in there, this one you can automatically type in. I'm too lazy. So this is the other one. And we're in model random, so that's the namespace we're going to have to tack on to the context. So there that goes. We add the namespace for random. Yep. This is going to cause issues right now. That's because we have a non-unique name of models, so we're going to have to delete this guy. But before we do, we're going to need to take this collection of, what was that? Collection of test tables. Yeah. And place it into the existing BTT user, which is going to go down here. It's going to be called test tables, using test table, and then again you go up here, take that, and at this point you can remove this guy. To go back into users, you place everything where it needs to be placed. It's a hash set, test table. I did alt enter, which just a shortcut for pressing this little light bulb. And then I'm going to be using the random namespace. No issues, control, save. Delete model 1 because we're done taking everything we need. This already exists, so you do not need a second copy of it. That's gone. Well, thanks for watching, and I hope you all have good luck with your projects and your senior sequence goes well. Bye-bye.